This is a video on two products that I bought off eBay. One is the pistol grip mount here, and the other is this stand. The pistol grip mount is a nice mount to hold your Osmo and your phone on this mount, which I also bought off eBay, which is a phone holder mount and Osmo mount to stop your Osmo if you think that it's going to fall off your phone, so it helps to attach the Osmo to the phone and keep it still. This pistol grip mount, this pistol grip mount has a 1/4 inch thread on it, which you can adjust here. To screw on any mount on it. Now it's suitable for anything that has a 1/4 inch 20 thread on it. So you can put a Sony action camera on this, which has a 1/4 inch 20 mount built in. Your GoPro tripod adapter can fit on here as well, and you simply just use that dial here to turn and to screw on the mounts. Now I bought this simply because I can hold the Osmo. While out recording. So I can hold the Osmo out while outside and recording. Right, I've got the Osmo switched on, and as you can see, this mount is perfect in the hand. It's a natural grip, perfect in the hand for holding your Osmo or action camera. As I said, it only cost me about £4. It has a rubber texture to it. If I zoom in, it has a rubber texture to it, a thicker rubber part here, which is softer than the rubber on the outside here. So this is more softer, right, so you can get it right between your thumb and finger, so it doesn't aggravate that at all. The grooves perfectly fit your fingers, and it doesn't matter what size hand you got, because even my wife's hand is smaller than mine, and she can hold this perfectly all right. There's rubber at the top here to give it more extra grip to any mounts that you place on there. And as I said, it comes with a 1/4 inch 20 thread, so you can fix it to either a pole or even a tripod of any size that can fit to it. So I think this is a perfect vlogging setup. You can get the phone holder with a cold shoe mount on top, so you can attach a light to it, or a microphone when DJI releases the microphone adapter. As I said, the pistol grip is really light, and it's quite balanced in the hand, even including that groove there. It just fits perfectly between your thumb and forefinger there to give that a nice hold. Now I've took my phone off and the Osmo. I've taken that off. Just as you're wondering, I've bought a case for this phone with the Osmo, which is a Spigen Air case, which is really thin. Still gives it some protection, but at least it's in a case. The Osmo fits in there quite alright. Okay, it's not that thick of a case, so in case you're wondering what case I got, this is the Spigen Air case. Now the grip here, which says it's got a 1/4 inch thread, which if you remove, that's how you remove it, with that dial here, which you screw off here. If I screw off that, yeah, and you see there is the 1/4 inch thread on there, and there's the female 1/4 inch thread. So you can, as I said, you can screw your tripod to it, or a pole. Once again, rubber coating with a thick extra layer of rubber here, so it makes it quite comfortable in the hand, which is a perfect grip for your action camera, Osmo setup, or even a standard DSLR camera. So I'll leave an item number in the description on eBay, where you can pick this up. All you got to do is just type in the item number into the search bar on eBay, and this shall come up. I hope you like this video. Oh, I've just forgotten. I hope you like this video. And I've just forgotten one thing, the stand. This is the stand what I bought. This is the stand that I bought, and it holds the Osmo like that in it, which gives it a nice base. You can't plug in anything though into it, but if you're just taking shots from a tabletop or on a wall, because of its low profile, it makes it a perfect tool to bring. It's quite light. It's made out of plastic with a grippy rubber bottom and a grippy rubber inside, and it is for the price I paid, which is about just £2. I think it's quite a nice item to have. Okay, that's it for now. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll bring out more videos to do the Osmo Pocket later on. Bye.